believe in you. Switching you. Oh, you got so close, man. I'm proud of you, though.
Sometimes works.
I'm proud of you, man.
And
Okay.
it sometimes works.
Yeah. Can we all buy still? Yeah.
I
Coach
have
Chan,
2 grand.
can someone give him? Yeah, can someone give him buy? Do you need a buy actually? Wherever you are, I can't throw that far. Well, I mean, I could try,
Thank you, Coach Lynn.
but I can do.
Just buy it down.
That's my ult. Don't touch
Yeah,
it.
let's do.
Go big. One crossed. One crossed. Rush it now. Go as fast as you can.
Do not stop. Rush be suka.
Don't do
Rush
that.
be suka
I'm
blitzni.
tagged 2.
I'm watching long. There should have only been one on site.
No,
Ah,
I'm
let's
tagged just 90. Oh, I got the
One T.
headshot.
One T with AWP. How am I
I
this
like
bad?
T.
Yeah, T is pretty nice to be honest. You sound British though.
Yeah, I am.
Ah, okay. Very good.
British tea is best tea.
British tea. Is that black or flavoured tea? One CT, don't pick him.
It's
Push it.
English breakfast. It's just like regular tea
Oh, no.
with milk in it.
2 tons, last 2 tons.
Nice.
One last guy ton. Hey,
No,
don't
you're
worry
alright,
about it, buddy.
yellow.
It's okay, S.
We're winning.
We'll just carry you to victory.
Let's go long and a short. Just split.
I kinda wanna get a 1D one day. Well, not one day, just like this game
I'm
one
gonna
day.
split. A split.
Not one
I'll
day,
go
I
long.
want a 1D. And then I'm gonna tell my grandfuck children that one day I wanted a dig, but it never happened.
I remember one time at the
Mario.
R8, and somebody,
What's
and
my smoke
yeah,
box?
there was like 3 in
Go,
ton.
go, go.
Jump
Go,
over
go,
me,
go.
jump
stood
over me,
there.
jump over
Go.
me. Jump over me.
And I just
Oh.
stood there, like a tank, and I killed
I
all
reckon
3 of
someone's
them.
in smoke, to be honest. No one's in smoke.
Flashing. Nice.
Careful, CT. Non CG, get that bomb player.
A is clear.
Plant that C4
No, pass me the
nicely.
bomb, bro. Green. Pass me the bomb. Here. Okay.
Plant that C4 nicely.
He's long, I wanna get a knife, I wanna get a knife.
Get the knife, let him get the knife.
Get the knife. Oh, you son of a bitch, filthy Frank. Dude, man. Gotta turn down that goddamn music. I said let me get the knife, man. How did
Let's go long.
Every time, man, I try to do something fun, you just take it from me. Yeah, let's go on.
This is a fun game.
See, this is why we can't have nice things, Frank.
A
This is why we can't have nice things. Knife thing. Ha, no. Yeah, knife things. Oh, he got destroyed. DE underscore
Check
destroyed.
the corner.
Do you guys know what we need to do?
Oh my fucking goodness, Jesus. What just happened there? So many
Isn't
people
that
just
dead
died at once.